Hong Kong is a densely populated city with hilly terrain. Our urban development is close to steep hillsides. Vulnerable hillsides may pose landslide risks to the developments, particularly in heavy rain. To mitigate the landslide risks, the government of the Hong Kong SAR constructs debris-resisting barriers on vulnerable hillsides. The barriers will resist landslide debris from reaching the developments and therefore reduce the consequences of landslides. The Civil Engineering and Development Department is developing a sensor system with technology support from the Logistics and Supply Chain Multi-Tech R&D Center to detect whether the debris-resisting barriers have been impacted by landslide debris. The system, which is called the Smart Barrier System, will provide instant alerts to emergency officers when debris impacts are detected. It aims to expedite the corresponding emergency response. The system comprises Internet of Things sensors for real-time detection of debris impacts and monitoring of debris buildup. Wireless impact switches will send out alert signals when debris impacts are detected. It will trigger the depth gauges to monitor the depth of debris accumulated behind the barriers. Specifically, for the flexible debris-resisting barriers, displacement sensors have been used to detect the movement of the wire mesh caused by the impact of landslides. Surveillance cameras with infrared floodlights will provide day and night images of the proximity of the barriers for helping emergency officers to monitor the situation and arrange necessary actions. With Internet of Things technologies, all the above information will be transmitted real-time to a cloud server. Emergency officers can access the data through the Internet by using desktop or mobile devices. If necessary, the officers can command through the Internet to disseminate warning messages to the public near the barriers by using the on-site message display systems. To overcome the poor telecommunication coverage on remote sites, the Smart Barrier System adopts local wireless networks for transferring data from the sensors to the data gateways on site. The data gateways will then send the data to the cloud server via mobile networks. As debris-resisting barriers are usually located on natural hillsides without power supply, the Smart Barrier System is tailor-made for operation with solar power and optimized for low power consumption. The system is undergoing site trials at several debris-resisting barriers. The field performance is satisfactory so far. Since the commencement of the site trials in late 2016, the system has been running properly in general, even in adverse weather conditions like super typhoons. The Smart Barrier System was awarded a silver medal at the International Exhibition of Inventions Geneva in 2019. The Smart Barrier System aims to provide an efficient and reliable real-time system for expediting landslide emergency response. It will help to make Hong Kong a safer place and a smarter city.